In Creo Parametric, you can create datums on the fly. That means when you are in the middle of a feature, you can create datums as you need them. I am continuing on modeling the plane bearing from Essentials of Mechanical Drafting, and I need an extrude up at the top for, I think is where the oil goes. So anyhow, I am going to need a sketch, but I'm going to make an internal sketch just because I'm not going to use that sketch for any other features. I will start off with the extrude tool, and it opens up the placement tab. I will click on the define button. So now I'm ready to create my sketch. It wants to know what I want to use as a sketch plane, but I don't have a plane or surface up here at the top in order to use. So I will create one on the fly. If you take a look on the right-hand side of the dashboard, we have a datum drop-down menu with all your different choices for datum features. So I will create a datum plane, which is the keyboard shortcut P, and I click on it and I get the datum plane dialog box. And I'm going to dimension it from the bottom surface. So I will tap the right mouse button to query select to it. And now I'm getting it offset some distance over here. Let me grab it and drag it in the other direction. And I'm going to make it offset a distance of 3.125. I'm happy with that value. By the way, if you take a look in the drawing, yeah, they use a slightly different dimension, but that is okay. So I'm happy with this datum plane. I will click on the OK button, and now it is using that datum plane as our sketch plane. And I'm going to flip the viewing direction just so it gets oriented the way that I want it to. And I see that is using the back surface as the reference. I'm going to have that face the top of the screen when I get into sketch mode if I want to use that as my sketch view. So let's click on the sketch button. And I will reorient my model to the sketch view. I'm looking down at the model. Let's clean up our display by turning the datum plane display off. And then I realize, oh wait, I want to use a different sketch reference. I want this going right through the middle of the model. So I will click on the references button. And instead of using this surface, I can delete it. And I want to use, I think it's the datum plane called front. So let me just click it out of the model tree. So that's good. I will click the close button out of the references dialog box. All I need in this sketch is a circle. I will hold down the right mouse button to get to the asynchronous menu. And let's click on the circle tool. I'll locate it here and drag it out a distance. This is supposed to be a dimension of 1. That is good. So I will hit the check mark to get out of sketch mode. And there you can see the direction of the extrude. Let's click on the pink arrow to flip the direction. And rather than using a numerical value for the depth, I'm going to use to reference. I will right mouse click over the depth drag handle. This is one way I can get to reference. I'm going to select this cylindrical surface. Just make sure that it goes all the way through to the reference that is supposed to. Actually, let me change that reference. Let me go to the options tab. Instead of that surface, I actually want this surface. There's no need for it to go all the way to the other surface. So that is good. I will hit the check mark to complete the feature. Now let's take a look at the model tree. Here I have the extrude. We can see that we have the internal sketch. It is called section 1. And here is the datum that was created on the fly. And it is automatically hidden. If you want to see it later on, well, you can always click on it and then use the show button. So that way, when I turn on my datum plane display, it is visible. If you don't want it to be an internal datum, you can drag it out. Also, if you go to delete the extrude later on, I will click on it and then right mouse click and hold and use the delete command. You get the option to keep the embedded datums. In other words, you can keep the sketch and you can keep the datum plane. But I'm not going to delete it. Let's hit the cancel button and let me turn off my datum plane display. So that is how you can create internal sketches and datums on the fly.